Hi, I'm Bryce with Mr. Squeegee Window Cleaning, and one of our services is to scrub down your screens. Over the season, mud and grime and buildup get onto your screens, and then when it rains, that rain pushes that dirt and muck through, gets on your windows, and makes one heck of a mess. So what I have here is a piece of equipment from Aztec Innovations. It's a screen washer, and what it has here is it has brushes that run through and water that jets out and goes all the way through the middle. So with that, I'll give you a quick demonstration of how I clean your screen. Now you can see that it gets both sides of the screens and it scrubs down the frames of these screens. By far the best way to clean screens. Call 916-897-3177 or go online at callmrsqueegee.com.